Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. What a wild day. So the market was gapping up. We saw some interesting candlestick patterns on the SPY pre-market. It looked very encouraging, and that's what we alerted in our Discord. A couple of traders in there. We were all talking the same thing. We needed to see these key levels broken. And if they broke, then good things for the market. And that's exactly what happened. Now, I rewind the day a little bit, and I sat in a car for 3 hours with my two daughters to get those COVID tests that everybody is waiting for a long time for. I get it. But being in a car for that long with two little girls, yeah. Show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow. So anyway, sharing the screen and sharing the money maker. Today, 157.50 is what we closed at, minus commissions. You got to take into account commissions when you're trading the futures. Now, commissions are different for every platform. Just keep in mind, if you are trading futures, know what your commissions are. You don't want to overtrade these, but still a great day. Very good trading today. This is 2 days in a row. Nice start to the week, all on technicals. So if we look at the chart, this is where we were coming from. And it really started yesterday. So if we just extend this to the right, you can see once we broke this descending resistance trend line, once this was broken, this started to look very, very good. The trend changes right here, right when you make a higher high, which is what happened here, pulled back, and then we grind it up to the close. When we close strong, that is a very good indication from the market makers that they want to bring the market up. The only thing is we had some really key levels to break, and that was 4,600. So in the Asian Open, now the Asian markets were on fire. So my bias was obviously long going into today. The Asian markets overnight hit that 4,600 and then sold off and did this kind of double bottom here. And then at 5 a.m. our time, ripped up, barely broke over the 4,600. And this is today's trading day. Hit 46.05 and then went in this little zone here, little trading channel. So I scalped this a couple of times here, and then on the day, on the open, the way that I traded the first part of the day here, this will be easier to do. Show trades. So the way that we traded this in the pre-market was I traded on both the upside and the downside. So if I could zoom in here, when I saw that 4,600 wasn't breaking, I went long here, scalped that. That was a beautiful trade. And then sold right here at the top. And then I took a contract short. Once I saw 4,600 and 46.05 could not break off the open. This is key. If it couldn't get that buying off the open, the market makers want to bring the price down really low to 10:30 a.m. We hit our pre-market lows right here at 45.72. So they bring it down, and then all the stocks you want, they buy up right here while everything is low in the market for this move up here. Whoops. This move up here that we saw here. So scalping it in the range here, and then in the pre-market, and then over here is where I got home after, you know, like I said, being in the car for so long. And the way that I traded this one, so like I said, at 10:30, it just grinded higher. Now, what you want to see on a reversal is this previous pivot point here to break. Couldn't do that. You can see to the penny, it can't break. Right here at 11:36, whatever it is, you got a little cup, a little handle, and then it explodes up. So the market makers want this higher. It explodes through 46, through 46.05 like it's nothing. And then it comes back, retests 46.05, which if I was home would have been an excellent entrance for this 24-point move here, which is a gorgeous move. So I get home seeing the FOMO. I at least wait for it to pull back a little bit and then add to my position right here to average down. And then, you know, previous resistance, previous support, future support into this beautiful candle here, and then sold my contracts there. So 157.50, trading with the trend. That's all we want to do. Once you see this, this is a nice trending market. There is no institutional selling happening here. This is all buying, very nice buying. And that's what you want to do. You just want to be going long here, have your conviction. Looks like another one wants to start here to make a new high of the day right here. So I sold way too early, but my brain is fried from being in the car for so long. So that's it, guys. Really quick recap. This is the micro E-mini futures, and 157.50 is your trade recap for the day. The market is looking great. If it holds up over these levels today, then I would say we are in for a nice run to the end of the year. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up for me, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care.